Guys, if you watched my previous vlog, you are well aware that we got approved for a new apartment after a 4-year waiting period. Did you know that children and pets are the worst problems for many German landlords? I am Sheshi, a stay-at-home mom in Germany, and this is my husband Falu from Gambia. We are a family of 4 and we have outgrown our tiny apartment. This is our new home. Watch till the end for a beautiful result of a 3-month renovation process.
By the time we're moving in, we will not recognize this house. Everything will be done anew. This is a 1970-something built complex building, and it really needed renovation. This was Falo's first time coming to the apartment, and he was so excited. At some point during the renovation, we weren't sure when to give up the lease where we were living in, which is usually 3 months, since the delivery date of the new doors and windows had been delayed, which would result to us paying rent for 2 apartments. We have been to countless apartment viewings with no success. So when we got this rundown old apartment, we were so happy. It did not matter to us if it was old and run down, because I knew my man could, make it look brand new again. Alhamdulillah, who is God? God is great. My husband didn't even raise one finger during this renovation. It was all catered for, all paid for by the owners of the house. Alhamdulillah. Week 1 of the renovations, as you can see, the wallpaper had been scraped off the walls. All electric wires had been ripped off the walls. It was an amazing transformation. We were mind blown every time we came to the apartment. Oh no. 2 weeks later in June. Now, wow. They're already at work. They removed the old heaters and the new heaters have already been ordered. Here. The modern ones, mashallah, mashallah. Imagine. We even had an appointment with an electrician to see exactly where we wanted the light sockets and outlets to be. They really involved us with this project. I was very grateful for this opportunity. They just told us the doors will be changed as well. Imagine. I felt like screaming. I was so happy. They did nothing to the bathroom because it had been renovated a few years ago. Alhamdulillah. You see there already, the heaters have been removed, the old heaters. We came here to say how we want our kitchen to be. So we want the waschbecken to be this side, then the cooker, and then space. So all this over here will be changed from this side to that side over there, and there will come white tiles all round till here, and we'll have different sockets here, there. I don't think here they'll do anything. It's perfect. And here, this one and one down, I think. Yeah, so. And this one will be changed. The door will be new. Like almost everything. The house will be brand new. I think by the time we're moving in, we will not recognize this house. It will be brand new. Whatever. We are going to the house to check. I want to make sure the kids' bedroom, because I'm wondering whether to put a double bed or 2 single beds. So that's why I'm going to measure to see what will fit best. Luckily, I came on this day where the electrician was doing like the most important stuff, and I was able to record everywhere where he was passing the wires through. So it will help us later when we're moving in and drilling and putting up the cabinets, not to drill this place. Otherwise we'll damage the wires and we'll have like electric shorts and shortage. As you can see here, he moved our central power supply from outside and brought it inside into this position there. We even got a balcony socket for us to be able to grill. Can you imagine, like, the attention for detail? Oh my goodness, I will be forever grateful to this whole team. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, they did such a great job.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another day and we are excited. Are you excited, babe? Finally, yes. Or let me say myself, I can finally see like the process is starting to like really move, like it's becoming a reality, because the first person to check out this house is coming in, I think, 10 minutes. So like we have to move, like we are moving officially, and I'm very excited and I cannot wait for for us to move, start packing. I think, oh, we have actually started already packing. We have already 2 boxes that are packed. And yeah, how do you feel, babe?
Oh, I feel great.
That?
I feel great. We are moving, and sorry, these small 2 little ones can have their own room. Yeah. So,
yeah, we're really excited.
Sure.
Yeah. We're really excited. So let's wait for her to come. I think she will like this house because I think she's alone by herself. We were 4 and I really love this house. I really miss it, but I'm excited for the bigger new house. I can't wait for all the space that we'll have, decorating it anew, and all that good stuff, making new memories in the house. We've really made a lot of memories in this house. That's why it will be bittersweet leaving it, but alhamdulillah, we got a new house. So yeah. Now you can see everywhere where the wires are. So we are about to sign our contract. To fix the light, the first light ever. We are so excited. This is how it looks. This is the Eingangstur, the main entrance. Then you go to the kids' room, our room, inshallah. And then this is the sitting room, the living area. This is the big kitchen and dining space. This is babe.
Buy this one 15. After this one you buy 15. Yeah, then this one you buy 10. Yeah.
And between this one 15. Between this one and this one 15.
15 and this one 15.
This one, the small one?
No, the small one is 10.
Okay, inshallah.
Yeah. Just have a space.
We are at IKEA. We are buying lamps, lights. You can see Mariam is there making noise. Such a long day, but alhamdulillah we got everything that we needed.
And the house was finished.
We got carpets for the dining. We got a carpet for the sitting room. We got lamps for almost every room apart from the dining room, the dining area that I have to order online. What else did we get? We got a lot of things, a lot of small things. We got our mats for the front door. I'm so happy and delighted. I was a bit nervous because it was so many things at once and I had to choose. I was like, you know what, babe, Father, please just choose. So most of the things like the lamps, the lights, he chose. I think I only chose 2 of them, the bedroom one and their bedroom one. Oh no, I chose even the sitting room. I did. Babe ordered a toolbox. It just arrived. It's in Amazon. Oh yeah, like that. So he wants to sort out all his tools. This is how they are. He just had them in a paper and just used to throw everything like batteries, hammers. What is this? Drills. He just used to put everything there. And here are more stuff. It's a lot. So he wants to put them all in this one box.
What is it?
Is it how it looks like now?